Assalamualaikum students, this is Rafa Saeed from Group 5 and my group participants are Azalfa Kokab, Fakra Nasi, Atiya Kulsum and Tim Shanasi. Today we will talk about ethics of reproductive cloning. First, see what is cloning? The production of genetical organization where somatic cell nuclear transfer. Somatic cell nuclear transfer refers to the process of removing the nucleus of a somatic cell of an organism and transferring it into an oocyte from which the nucleus has been removed. Just look at this slide. We have a tissue cell donor and a donor with unfertilized egg. From tissue cell donor, we will have a cell that will be maintained in the lab that they do not grow and divide. From this cell, we will remove nucleus, and similarly from the egg cell of the donor supplies unfertilized egg, we will remove nucleus. Now see, here nucleus will fuse with the empty egg cell after electric current is applied. The reconstructed embryo grows for 7 days and it will develop into a embryo implanted surrogate mother. This, this mother will produce an or animal that will have exact DNA as the tissue cell donor. Moving on to the next slide, we have an example of first mammal clone from using mature cell. This is Dolly. Dolly is the lamb in 1996, which was developed by using the method nuclear transfer. This method was used by organization Roslin Institute at UK and PPL Therapeutics. Next, we will see the types of cloning. Cloning. There are two types of cloning: reproductive cloning and therapeutical cloning. Furthermore, we will discuss about reproductive cloning. What is reproductive cloning? An embryo is created and implanted to a woman's womb to bring it to term. Therapeutic cloning. In therapeutic cloning, an embryo is created in order to obtain cells from it. We have some concern of cloning. The technology is complicated. Survival rate of clone embryo is low. Overweighing of calves at birth, and the breeders may want to keep their animals unique and they may want to create better offspring. There are some bioethics involving in animal cloning. Different bioethics are involved that are described below, like overweighing of calves birth. Breeders may want to create better offspring. They may want to keep their animal unique and try their unique DNA sequence. Poor development of heart, lungs, and immune system. They have poor immunity and can't stay longer, so that they have a small lifespan. They might develop genetic disorders. There are some ethical issues of human cloning. First, experiment conducted is on human, that is dangerous. History, the process, some religion issues, federal and government regulation, pros and cons, worldview, medical issues. We mostly do common cloning in animals, but it's rare in human because of medical issues and worldview. We will study why not perform reproductive cloning. There are some reasons that they reduce genetic diversity. Obviously, when we have rare and unique, exact same DNA as of the parent, we will get a reduced genetic diversity. It is used as a substitute of an organ. Clone may be reduced life expectancy due to less immunity and poor uh, organs development. Clone may be abnormal. They may have lack of self-identity. They may be replaceable. They are dominated by father or mother. On the next slide, we have some ethical issues regarding reproductive cloning, which include risk health to the mother, genetic damage to the clone, very low success rate, meaning loss of large numbers of embryo and fetuses, psychological harm to the clone, conflicts, altered familiar relationship, and communication of human life. There are some religious views about the cloning. First, we will see Islamic point of view. In Islam, the cloning or different part of human body for medical purpose is not prohibited in Islam, but to clone the whole human body would not permitted under any circumstances. But on the issue of animal ethics, he take a more lenient position. The law. According to laws, in paragraph 51A, the Act of State, no person knowingly create a human clone by using any technique or transplant a human clone into human being or into a non-human life or artificial device. In Catholic Church position, cloning is strongly opposed. Embryos are harmed and killed. It is disgrace of human dignity. It devalue human life and want to mean to be a human. We have some opinion we would like to share with you that human cloning should not be done. It is loss of individuality, breach of security. What happened to failed experiment? Thank you for watching.